how to make app in Airtable. So first go to Airtable and then just click on create here at the bottom. Then you can either use AI or just build your own from scratch. So in this case, I'm just going to use AI. So I'll just click on this one. Next is you just need to type in your prompt. So if you want to type in a detailed prompt, you can do that. But I'll just type in a general prompt like build me a simple note-taking app. And then you can just click on build it. And then it'll start building your app. So you just need to wait. So I may have to skip this part since it takes a bit of time. Okay, now once it's done, you can just, if you want to change anything here, you can just use this text box here. So let's say you're done. You can see your AI or your app here done here. If you want to publish it, you can just publish it, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.